Hi, in this tutorial we will see how to stock in and stock out certain items. Option data entry, option stocking. As usual, new button, date, document number appears automatically. Now, why stock in is used? Certain items like regulators are neither purchased nor sold by the distributor. His principles, that is the oil company sends the regulators on a delivery challan, and in turn wherever there is a new connection, the distributor gives a regulator to the subscriber but doesn't bill him, but he takes a deposit on that regulator, and whenever the subscriber cancels or terminates the connection, he has to return that particular regulator, for which he will get his deposits back. So that is how the regulator transaction is treated. So you enter the delivery challan number sent by the oil company, then name of the oil company, BPCL in this case I am taking. If you want, you can take the vehicle number, although it is not mandatory, you may record it, through which the regulator has come. Select the item regulator, select shop, quantity, let's say 100 regulators had come, there is no rate. If you want, you can put the serial number from this to this. You can also put individual serial numbers and make 100 entries of regulator if that is required, and you say save. This transaction is saved. Similarly, now let's go to stock out. Now stock out is used when the distributor gives the defective regulator which is returned by the customer in the course of use, and these defective regulators are in turn given back to the oil companies. Now if there is any delivery challan which the distributor, under which the distributor gives the defective regulator, you can put the delivery challan number, name of the oil company, BPCL in this case. Once again, one can put the vehicle number through which the regulator is being delivered back to the oil company. You select regulator, select shop. If there are 25 defective regulators, you say 20, you write the quantity 25. Now herein, as the serial numbers are not in series and they are in random, if you want to note down the serial number, you will have to, you can note down the serial numbers of these 25 regulator one by one on each line, or you can opt not to enter the serial number, and in narration you can state defective and save this entry. Now let's move on and see the effect of both these entries of stock in, stock out on the stock report. I see today's date, sorry, yeah. Now we had received, the distributor had received 100 regulators where we had done stock in, so there is an inward entry of 100 regulators. Similarly, 25 defective regulators were returned, hence there is 25 outward delivery of regulators. Opening stock, add inward minus outward will give the balance as usual. Now this brings us to the end of the tutorial of stock in, stock out. Thanks for your time.